Kansas authorities said a spring snowstorm closed down a 130-mile extent of Interstate 70 in northwest Kansas because of tempest conditions. Kansas Highway Patrol Representative Ben Gardner said the street revived early Monday. He said the absence of truck stopping and in-housing likewise prompted the choice to close not far off on Sunday. The tempest made different streets shut in western Kansas and an Amtrak repair voyaging a separation of around 100 miles, from Garden City to Lamar, Colorado, to arrive 10 hours late. Some northwest Kansas occupants announced power blackouts. Around 14 crawls of snow fell in Elkhart, which is close to the Kansas-Oklahoma state line. The National Weather Service cautions that major-to-record flooding can proceed in parts of the focal U.S. on Monday, while serious electrical storms are conceivable from the mid-Atlantic toward the northeast.